Hello students, let us continue the chapter Organic Chemistry. Here we are studying about the hydrocarbon alkanes. Today I am going to explain you the physical properties of alkanes, chemical properties of alkanes and uses of alkanes. Actually, physical properties of alkanes mostly depend on intermolecular force of attraction between the particles. That intermolecular force of attraction depends on their structure. It is found that straight chain molecules have more intermolecular force of attraction than branched chain molecules because in a straight chain molecule they have more surface area than the branched chain molecules. First four alkanes C1 to C4 are gases, next 13 C5 to C17 are liquids and higher alkanes are solids. Let us see the physical properties of alkanes. They are generally colorless, odorless, tasteless, and non-poisonous. They are almost insoluble in water. They do not soluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like benzene, alcohol, acetone, ether, carbon tetrachloride. They have low melting and boiling points. Let us see in the table. Methane, its melting point is minus 183 degrees Celsius. For ethane, it is minus 172 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of methane is minus 162 degrees Celsius, whereas for ethane it is 89 degrees Celsius. They are the homologous series of alkanes, methane and ethane, and they are showing the gradual change in their melting point as well as the boiling point. Chemical properties of alkanes. Alkanes are relatively unreactive. They undergo combustion as well as substitution reaction. Let us see the combustion reaction of alkanes. First, we should know what is combustion. Combustion is a process in which fuels burn in air to form heat and light. Let us see the combustion of alkanes. We will study the combustion of alkanes in sufficient supply of air. Alkanes burn in sufficient air with bluish non-sooty flame to form carbon dioxide and water vapor along with heat. Let us see in the reaction. Methane, when burns in oxygen, here it is sufficient supply of oxygen, then it forms carbon dioxide. Due to complete combustion it forms carbon dioxide and water vapor. Heat is also produced in this reaction. Ethane, it also burns in oxygen and form carbon dioxide and water vapor along with the heat. Combustion of alkanes in insufficient supply of air. That means the supply of air, the presence of air is not sufficient. Alkanes when burned in insufficient air, they produce carbon monoxide and water vapor. Here they were producing carbon dioxide, but here they will produce carbon monoxide. Methane, CH4 when burns in oxygen, here the oxygen is insufficient, not sufficient. Then it forms carbon monoxide and water. Similarly, ethane C2H6, it will also produce carbon monoxide and water along with the heat. If there is a still less oxygen, then alkanes when burned in very less oxygen they produce sooty particles carbon. They are unburnt carbon, sooty particles and water. Let us see in the reaction. Methane burns in oxygen. Here there is very less amount of oxygen, then it forms carbon, this is unburnt particle and water vapor. Similarly, ethane will also produce sooty particles carbon and water vapor. What is the use of this soot particle? This soot is used in the manufacture of printing inks and tires. Next chemical property is substitution reaction. It is a characteristic property of alkanes. They undergo substitution reaction with halogens like chlorine, bromine or iodine, not with fluorine because the compounds of fluorine are not stable. In the presence of sunlight, diffused sunlight or ultraviolet light or heat to produce alkyl halides. Let us see in the reaction. Methane react with chlorine. In diffused sunlight, there should not be bright sunlight, because in bright sunlight there will be explosion, or we can give a temperature of 600 Kelvin, then it forms chloromethane CH3Cl and HCl hydrogen chloride. How it forms? Let us see in the structure. Here is the structure formula of methane. In the center here is carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms are different places. It reacts with chlorine molecule. In one chlorine molecule there are 2 atoms of chlorine. Let us see what happens. This chlorine substitute the place of hydrogen and hydrogen will be replaced from this place. Then what happens? It forms CH3Cl plus HCl. This is chloromethane. On further reaction, chloromethane react with chlorine with the same condition, diffused sunlight or 600 Kelvin temperature. It forms dichloromethane, 2 atoms of chlorine. So it is CH2 dichloromethane and hydrogen chloride. Similarly, dichloromethane, it will be substituted by chlorine and form trichloromethane. It is called chloroform CHCl3 and hydrogen chloride. Next one, trichloromethane, it will turn into tetrachloromethane, that is called carbon tetrachloride. It is an organic solvent along with the formation of hydrogen chloride. Like methane, ethane also reacts with chlorine in the same manner and produces successively chloroethane, dichloroethane, trichloroethane, tetrachloroethane and so on. Let us see in the reaction. Ethane C2H6, it reacts with chlorine. Actually it's substituted by chlorine and form C2H5Cl, monochloroethane, ethyl chloride and hydrogen chloride. Similarly, chloroethane, it will turn into dichloroethane and hydrogen chloride will be formed. Actually, all alkanes show the same type of reactions. Next one is catalytic oxidation of alkanes. Catalytic oxidation, that means the oxidation takes place in the presence of catalyst. On catalytic oxidation, alkanes give alcohols, aldehydes or carboxylic acid. It depends upon the reaction condition. Let us see in the reaction. Methane, it is oxidized by oxygen, but the condition is 120 atmospheric pressure. Temperature should be 475 Kelvin. When the mixture of methane and oxygen in the ratio 9:1 pass through copper tube, it forms methanol CH3OH. When methane oxidizes with oxygen in the presence of molybdenum oxide, then it will form methanol HCHO. When methane oxidizes with oxygen in the presence of manganese compound, then it will form methanoic acid. Similarly, ethane oxidizes to ethanol. Methane, it oxidizes to methanol. So ethane will oxidize to ethanol, ethanol or ethanoic acid respectively. What are the uses of alkanes? Methane and ethane are good domestic fuels. For example, LPG, it is used in our domestic fuel. It contains isobutane and propane. Methane is used in the preparation of ethine, methanol, methanol, chloromethane. They are very important chemicals. Ethane is used in the preparation of ethene, ethanol, ethanol and acetic acid. They are also very important. Acetic acid, very important compound. Methane is a source of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Ethane, it forms ethyl chloride which forms a tetraethylate 111 Trichloroethane, it is used in dry cleaning for washing purpose. Carbon black, soot particle, it is used in printing inks. And alkanes are used in the manufacture of gasoline or petrol. Hope the things are clear. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice study.